Hello, I just wanted to give you a quick overview of some of the resources that you now have available on your Class OneNote notebook. First thing, if you haven't gotten there yet, you can go to Microsoft Teams. You can do this in the browser or through the Teams app. All you have to do is choose your section of AP Calculus, either Period 2 or Period 3. You'll probably only have one choice in there. When we jump into that class, you're going to go ahead and up here at the top, Class Notebook, you'll select that. And this may take a little bit to load if you have not been in the notebook at this point. There's a lot of material in there from the whole second semester. Once in, I would encourage going ahead and selecting where it says Open Browser and open this in the app. If you open it in the app, you're going to have a much better user experience. It gives you a little bit more room to work with and more screen that you can view things on. So I'm going to go ahead and open in the app here in just a second. And all right. We've got this open in the app now. So first thing in the app, you'll notice we have the class up top, and you have your sections down the left-hand side. I've created a new section, e-learning. In that section, the first tab is schedule. So that's going to give you the weekly schedule. I will be still sending this out in email on Sunday nights, but I'll also post it here so you have one spot that you can go back and reference it. This will also include needed links throughout. The next tab that I put together for you is really just a quick summary of the surprising information that came out from the College Board. You can read through this, but the quick summary is they've basically cut it down to a 45-minute at-home exam. We should have more details on what that looks like by April 3rd. Currently, they've just told us what sections are included. So what I've done is I've gone ahead and right underneath this in the subpages, provided you the unit at a glance that gives you basically all of the suggested skills and topics that would be included from each unit on the exam. And I brought that down all the way to the last unit where they have selectively chosen topics, and I've crossed out the ones that aren't included, giving you a green highlight on the ones that are. They did cut out a few parts of Unit 10, and they cut out all of Unit 9, which is our polar and parametric mode. We'll talk about that a little bit after the exam if we have time. Polar and parametric usually doesn't come up too much in Calc 3 classes. Typically the skill set we've already covered is what's going to be the most important for them. So they should be good to go moving into a college Calc 3 class next year. But I will also provide some resources at the end of the year that will kind of help them fill gaps if they need to. Khan Academy has some great resources for that missed chapter. And then under that, I've included some practice. This is going to be most of our work this week, Monday through Thursday. In this, get a quick summary on the first page, and then each one will give you the document you're going to be working on. So for Monday night, you've got the first 15 questions from the 2016 practice exam. I would encourage working through these problems on paper and pencil. And then up here at the top is a link to a Microsoft form. Once you're done working through the 15 questions, if you could go ahead and just record your answers in here, this will allow me to get the analytics that I'd usually get through the AP Classroom site so that I can pick the top 3 most missed questions, put together some summaries for you so you can see those. That's just a few of the resources. One other thing that I do want to show you in Teams is in Teams, if I jump back to the posts here, I also do keep posting quick summary videos of the most missed questions from each of our assignments. So feel free to take a look at those if there's anything you struggled with. It's a great quick explanation of each problem. I've also posted the assignments as an assignment in Microsoft Teams just so you kind of have a second place you can find it. I've posted in a few locations that you can always find what you need. That's pretty much it as far as the resources right now. Again, take advantage of everything that's out there, and also feel free to email me if you have any questions. All right, see you soon. Bye.